What is long tail keywords? Hey, Tommy Olsson here. So what is a long tail keywords and why should you use it, no matter if you use free methods like blogging when it comes to content marketing, or if you use paid advertising? I will explain this. I also will explain why it's so powerful to use long tail keyword when it comes to getting a lot of free traffic to your content, and give you other tips when it comes to keywords. But before I get into it, make sure that you hit the subscribe button below if you want more tips like this. What is a long tail keyword? Well, instead of just using one or two keywords, you use several keywords that can create a question or phrase. And for instance, if your main keywords you want to rank for is weight loss, then a long tail keyword can be how to easily lose weight, or how to succeed with weight loss, and so on. And why do we need to use long tail keywords? Well, it's a great way to rank for different keywords, but you need to choose the keywords with low competition because it gets easier to rank. And when it comes to blogging, for instance, free methods, you will at least have to put in the work and let it take at least 2 months before you see any significant results. When it comes to paid alternatives choices, like for instance Google Ads, long tail keywords, if you choose the right keyword, means that you potentially have to spend less on your advertising campaign as well. So how do you research these keywords? Well, there are different free keywords tools online. One is Google AdWords. You simply just need to sign up for a free Gmail account and then you can log in. You don't have to set up a advertising campaign. You can just use the free keyword research tool to see what long tail keywords you can use, for instance, for your blogging and so on. And like I said, always choose the low competitions keywords, at least when you're first starting out using this strategy, before you have generated some targeted traffic this way. I hope you like this advice about how to get a massive amount of free traffic to your blog or website. Make sure to subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.